Hey, so I'm gonna really quickly look at this Farmacy Lip Smoothie. This is in their apple flavor or scent, and this is their vitamin C and peptide balm. And I really like this as like my everyday go-to lip balm. It adds some shine, but it does actually kind of like make your lips look pinker as well. So you can see, oops, got some mascara on there, but I'll go in with it. And it does a really good job at giving you sort of a slightly larger lip effect. And I think the ingredients in that help with that kind of sort of plumpness as well. So I really like it. You can see I have a little bit of my foundation that kind of got onto my lips too, but it does a really good job at putting on. I like to put it on kind of while I'm doing my makeup, and it gives me that sort of a little bit of natural pinkness to it. You can see I've used it quite a lot, and it has just a little bit of a scent, not flavor, just kind of an appley smell to it that's really nice as well, but not overwhelming. So overall, really like it. Again, you can see just a little bit of a shine, and it's kind of, I almost think of it more like a mask. Yeah, it's a balm and I'll put it on a few times, but it kind of gets that peptide, I don't know, into your lips or whatever. And I feel like it does a really good job at just giving me a nice natural looking lip.